market closing on 13th of September, I have taken a position in the put side, but just see the stats first. Nifty is 18,070, Bank Nifty is 40,873. So let's go to its chart. In chart, my main reason behind taking this trade was, first of all, if you see on a daily candlestick, it has already completed its movement what it has to be done by putting a Fibonacci retracement. If you want, then you can just check it out at your end. I am just giving a brief introduction out over there. Second major part is hourly chart. If you see on the hourly chart, the RSI is moving down and stock price is stagnant. It means that the price is holding over here and it might see a fall in coming week or day. So I took a position. As you have seen that the market was very much flat. So again and again this type of market, opening gap up, staying sideways, opening gap up, came down, opening gap up, sideways, opening gap up, sideways. I feel that 2 days sideways means that the market does not have that much of strength in it right now. It has the potential but not the power to go. So that's why I've thought that it might come near to this range of 70,930, or if you talk about majorly down type of level, 17,800 type of level, for a good retracement for market to go up. So let's go to my trading where I have taken this trade. So this is the put what I have purchased of 15th September expiry. So I have purchased a 50 quantity just for learning purposes, and executed price is at 50. So I have, my purchase price is 50 and I have bought one lot. So currently it's standing at a negative, as per the closing is 46.50, but eventually let's see how it goes. So now I am checking that what SGX is showing right now. So SGX is currently 70,482. It's approximately 250 points. So if you see out over here, 18,070. So it's 2 p.m. at night. So we are currently checking what is SGX doing. So SGX is nearly 360 points down, nearly 2%. So as I was saying, the option chart, so Greeks, what is showing right now, we have purchased 17,950. So delta is nearly about 0.26. So if we calculate 350 points multiplied by 0.30, it comes around 105, plus what is the option price was 46.5. so nearly it's showing around 150 points. So nearly a 1 is to, what do you say, 3 type of trade. So money is being doubled by 2 times. So let's see how it goes. Current closing is 46. So hope so we get a double digit profit tomorrow. So hello guys, this is the morning update. मॉर्निंग के हिसाब से अभी मार्केट खुल रहा है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 300 पॉइंट नीचे. लेट्स सी अभी कैसे क्या होता है. this manner we have traded and we have made a very good part of return. We were not able to sell it at what we have expected, but any which is we booked a very good profit overall. So in this manner we try to make our trades very much good and adjustable as per our risk and reward strategy. So if you want to see such more videos, please follow and subscribe us.